Many Zimbabweans today are witnessing a familiar pattern, one that echoes the final years of Mugabe era. Denial is widespread, and desperation is setting in among the political elite. President Mnangagwa's inner circle, including figures like Baraza, Matuke, Ziyambi, Garwe, and Mavetera, seem increasingly aware that their political lifelines are tied to a fading power structure. They know just as Mandita Wepi Chimene learned the hard way that once Vice President Chiwenga ascends, their careers may evaporate overnight. You can isolate him, mock him, or pretend 2030 is a realistic horizon, but the writing is on the wall. General Chiwenga is poised to take the reins, and the political landscape will shift dramatically. This is not prophecy, it's pattern recognition. Sarabina Mashukwen attack, Irwit Koshigananda, not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Chimamsa Ronin Mbirachiti. The fear is palpable. General Chiwenga's rise would not just be a change in leadership, it would be a peg, just as Manita Wepichinmene and others were cast aside when the winds shifted in 2017. So too would today's loyalists find themselves politically homeless. That is why the current group of ministers and advisors are doubling down, isolating General Chiwenga, mocking him, and pretending that 2030 is a realistic horizon. It's not strategy, it's a desperate survival instinct. General Chiwenga is no stranger to power. His role in the 2017 military intervention that led to former President Mugabe's recognition cemented his status as a kingmaker. Since then, he has played his cards carefully, maintaining a low profile while building quiet alliances. His influence within the military remains strong, and his appeal amongst certain factions of the party is growing. Attempts to sideline him, whether through political maneuvering or public ridicule, have largely failed. If anything, they have made him more formidable. General Chiwenga represents a different kind of leadership, one that is unapologetically assertive, disciplined, and rooted in the structures that give long-defined Zimbabwe's power dynamics. Ndo mashugwaru yapangwa inoachita kubva musoro pavipi Constantino Chiwenga chinzi aiwa Chiwenga's rise is imminent. Panguva ino ndiye atarisirwa nenyika yose. They might mock him kana kuita sei, but kunoonekwa kunzi Chiwenga paachangosimuka chete zvikanaka zvese zvicharwa pasi. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon.